Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Chevy Malibu headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a new H11 bulb. Next, open your car's hood and find the headlight assembly. You will then need to disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. This initial step prepares you for easy removal. Now, let's get that old bulb out. You'll need to remove the two 10mm bolts that secure the entire headlight assembly. Once those are out, gently pull the headlight assembly forward to give yourself better access. Finally, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. It should come out easily. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert your new H11 bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb. Finally, slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position in the car. To finish up, reinstall the two 10mm bolts to secure the headlight assembly firmly. Once everything is tightened, close your car's hood and test the new headlight bulb to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.